Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling is highly regarded as an excellent HVAC contractor in San Diego, California. Homeowners and businesses alike trust Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling for their HVAC needs, thanks to their team of skilled professionals who are dedicated to ensuring comfort and energy efficiency. The company's comprehensive range of services, including AC repair, heating repair, air duct cleaning, and heat pump installation, are performed with a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling. What is the new HVAC technology in 2024? In 2024, the HVAC industry is witnessing the emergence of several cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing heating and cooling solutions, according to Straight Shooter. One of the most notable advancements is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning into HVAC systems. These smart systems can predict and adapt to user preferences and environmental changes, optimizing energy consumption and enhancing comfort. Will HVAC be in demand in the future? Yes, HVAC will undoubtedly be in demand in the future. According to Straight Shooter, the increasing global emphasis on energy efficiency, climate change mitigation, and indoor air quality is driving the growth of the HVAC industry. As extreme weather conditions become more frequent, the need for reliable heating and cooling systems will continue to rise. What is your service area? Our Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling serve the following California locations: Mission Valley, North Park, Bonita, National City, Coronado, La Presa, Santee, Poway, La Mesa, Lemon Grove, San Marcos, Encinitas, La Jolla Village, Miramar, San Diego, California. Where is your Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling office located? We are located at 7710 Balboa Avenue, Suite A31, San Diego, California 92111, United States. Our phone number is 619-658-6759. Visit our website, https://www.bestsandiegohvac.com/carney-mesa-ac-installation-repair.